This is my 2016 Jaguar F-Type 3-litre V6 all-wheel drive. And I wish I'd never bought this car. But before I get into that, I've got an update on my Audi S5. Check this. I'm selling the Audi S5, yes. Getting rid of this because I think I've done everything that I wanted to do to this car now. So I need something that I can do a bit of work to. So it's time for this one to go. In fact, I aren't selling it, it's sold. And it's leaving here today. The guy's coming in about an hour. Yeah, I've loved every minute on this S5, some of the great stuff we've done with it. We put the S5 body kit on there. We've done the facelift conversion. I've actually wrapped the roof, got the windows tinted, and did loads of work. And look at my chance to see the some stuff I did in this. But there will be something else coming, and we'll get to see that in this video. So here she goes, guys. She has been sold and is driving off my drive for the very last time. I'm a little bit sad. So if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you will see that I've done quite a few mods on this car, such as carbon fibre wrapping various parts of the car, cold air intake, I added an Apple CarPlay unit, and various other things. Well, the reason I wish I'd ever bought this car is I absolutely love it. So today I'm taking this car to be traded in for the car that I wish that I'd have bought instead of this one. Let's get to the garage and I'll show you. But before we go there, I just want to let you know that I've actually removed most of the mods that I've done on this car, ready to put in my next one. And this is my replacement. Check this out. So we are at GC Motors, so let's go in there now and let's get the deal done and let's get back on the road in the SVR. So we did the deal, and yeah, it got a bit late in the day, so I ended up driving home in the dark. So I thought I'd leave it that day and continue with the video today. But yes, I did the deal for the SVR by trading in my V6 for this beautiful SVR. So please welcome to the channel my late 2017 Jaguar F-Type SVR. So this is the car I wish I had bought instead of the V6. Yeah, the V6 is a great car, just ask Jeremy Clarkson. The SVR has the amazing 5-litre V8 which can achieve a 0 to 60 of 3.5 seconds and a claimed 200 miles an hour. So that's it for this video. In my next video I'm going to be installing the cold air intakes onto this baby so I get that lovely supercharged jaguar. And also I'm going to check this out and see if we can achieve that 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. You don't want to miss that. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.